Hello everyone, welcome to the Amazon console. I'm currently inside of the RDS service and today I want to show you how to use the Amazon Resource Access Manager. The Amazon Resource Access Manager is perfect if you have a multi-account cloud setup and you need to share services between those cloud accounts. So for this example, I am going to use Amazon Aurora. At the moment, Resource Access Manager supports a number of applications. Name a few. It does App Mesh, Aurora, CodeBuild, EC2 Image Builder, License Manager, Resource Groups, and Route 53. There may be one or two others. So for this example, let's just create an Aurora database. I'm going to leave this more or less as default. We're going to just call this RAM DB. Auto generate a password connectivity. Great. Okay. So just to remember, this is not about creating a database as such. It's showing you how to use the Resource Access Manager console. So our database is creating here. You can see these two are ones I had previously just to test this was working. So if I go into the RAM console or the Amazon Resource Access Manager, and what I want to do is create a resource share. I'm just going to call this RAM DB share, and the resource type I want to share is an Aurora database. And as you can see, I have RamDB listed here, and I want to share that with my other account. So I am in my company production account, and I have my Francis Gorman account open here. And if we just jump into the Francis Gorman account, I'm inside Amazon RDS. I'm in my databases, and as you can see, I'll refresh the page. I have no databases within this account. So I want to share the Aurora database that we just created with this account. In order to do that, you need to put in the account number and add it so it's gone in, and create a resource share. Okay, so I've created a resource share. If I jump back over here to the Francis Gorman account and I refresh, I have no database. So why do I not have a database? Well, I have shared the resource with my Francis Gorman account, but I have to go into the console. Let's just go back here. Let's go to the Amazon Resource Access Manager within my account, and I need to look for resource shares. And as you can see here, I have one invitation, and there we go, RAM database share, and status is pending. So in order to stop this being pending, and if I just jump back to the other account and we go here, resource shared by me and RAM database share, see that the status is active, it's associated, but it's waiting to associate, still associating with the external account, which is my account here. So once I accept, that should change. So invitation accepted, and if I refresh this page, we are now associated with the external account. So if I go back to my RDS console within my Francis Gorman account and I refresh, voila, I now have the database, and I can create a clone of this and start working with it if I wish to do so. So that is quite simply how to share resources across multiple accounts, and it's something that will be very useful for anyone working in a multi-account cloud environment. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.